can we unfollow everyone on TikTok at once? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So to find out that, let's get started. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to access your following list, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. That's gonna take you to your profile piece. Here, just below your profile name, there you have an option to get to your following list. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit and these are all the accounts that you are following on TikTok. So for now, the TikTok does not offer a built-in features to unfollow everyone at once. That means you are not or you will not be able to unfollow everyone at once. However, you can manually unfollow users. So to do that, what you have to do is navigate to their profile, and next to their profile you will have an option as following. Tap on it, and with that, now you have unfollowed this account. If you want to do that same with other account, you have to perform the same activities. Tap on the following button, and in this way you can unfollow the account on TikTok. And unfortunately, there is no any options to unfollow everyone at once. Rather, you have to do it manually one by one. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.